Welcome to the second episode, and in this video we are going to create Tony Mac x86 websites account. So you have to head over to Tony Mac x86. Now first of all, why are we creating account? You can just hover over to forums and you'll notice there are tons of informational posts available and articles on installation, buying guides available. There are tons of tools. So this website is the whole and soul website where you will be getting all your details, all your requirements, all the softwares that you require. So you can just go, and I would suggest you to create an account because whenever you have a question or a problem, you might need an account to post in the forums and even to download files. So over here you just have to click on sign up and you have to enter your email ID and password. So after entering your email ID and password, you will be set for the future videos. Now in next video we'll see the best configuration for OS X. So in case you are going to buy a new computer, you can follow this guide to buy a new OS X capable Hackintosh machine.